Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into this tutorial series. Now the second one is going to be about the common information of HTML. So again, this video is going to be about HTML documents and it's also going to be about HTML elements. So let's get started with some HTML documents. All HTML documents must start with the doc type declaration, which we went over in the last tutorial series. The HTML document itself begins with HTML and ends with the end tag HTML. So I'm going to put this up on the screen so you can kind of get a look of what I'm talking about. So again, this is the doc type declaration. So you do doc type HTML. All right, and then every HTML document has to start with this HTML tag and end with this closing HTML tag. Now, within this body tag is where you put the content of your web document. So what you see on your screen, that all lies within this body tag. So for our example, let's do a heading, so an H1 heading, and put heading text must be here. And then let's do a P tag. And this is going to be a paragraph. That's what P tag stands for. And then put paragraph text must be here. And put a period, and let's save this. All right, so let's go and view this in our browser. And as you can see, heading text must be here, paragraph text must be here. And that's just because we put this within our body tag, so that's why we were able to see it within our document. So now that we went over some basic things about HTML documents, let's go more about HTML elements. So let's get rid of this. Okay, as told earlier, HTML is a markup language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It makes use of various tags to format the content. These tags are closed with angle braces. So you're going to have an open angle brace, or it's going to also be a less than angle brace, like a less than sign, your tag name, and then your closing angle brace or your greater than sign. You've seen this already when we showed you with the HTML and our body tags, and also for P tags and our H1 tags. Those are all HTML elements with closing, opening and closing tags. So I'm going to give you an example right here. So here's a P tag, and within this we're going to put this text is not centered. It's not centered. All right, put a period. So now let's do center. This is a built-in function. Do center, opening and closing tags, and then let's put another paragraph tag, put a P, and put this text is centered. Period. Now let's save this. Let's go view this in our web browser. Refresh the page. You can see this text is not centered, but right here you can see this text is centered, and that's because of this center tag that we put in there. Also, you could tell that with the two paragraph tags, I'm going to go back to our web browser, they're both in different lines, different rows. There's a line between them, and that's because it's something built in that the paragraph closing and opening tag does. So the paragraph opening tags tell what text you want to be together, and then you're going to close the tag, and it's going to jump down to the next line, and it's going to start your text. So it'll give you a space in between. It's very nice, especially if you want to distinguish two paragraphs. Sorry guys, thank you for watching this video. Next video we're going to be talking about empty HTML elements and headings. So I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.